Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you. Your support, comments, and blessings on my last video truly warmed my heart and gave me so much strength. It means the world to me to know that I have such a wonderful community behind me. Today, I have some exciting news to share and I need your help. As you know, I recently bought a new home, and it came with an 80 square meter warehouse space. I'm at a bit of a crossroads about what to do with it, and I would love to hear your suggestions. Right now, I'm still in the process of packing and organizing things, waiting for the house deed to be signed. It's a busy and somewhat chaotic time, but also filled with anticipation and excitement for the new possibilities ahead. One idea I have is to transform the warehouse into a space where my followers can come and learn to bake together. Imagine a cozy, welcoming place where we can share recipes, tips, and enjoy baking side by side. I think it would be an amazing way to connect with all of you in person and share our love for baking in a hands-on way. I'd love to hear what you think. Do you have any creative ideas or suggestions for the space? What would you like to see? Your input is incredibly valuable to me as I plan this next chapter of my life. Thank you again for all your support and for being such an amazing community. Your encouragement and kind words keep me going, especially during tough times. I'm looking forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas. I'll keep you all updated on the progress and look forward to sharing more baking videos and updates from my new home soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you in the next video.